Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to show you guys some wire earrings I've been working on. I told you I've been busy working on some stuff. I just haven't been able to actually do the video taping. So I will be doing some of that. I'm gonna try to do some later on today, and if not today, it'll be over the weekend. But I wanted to work on some wire earrings. I had messed around and made a pair like these green pair, and they sold so fast. I was like, I should have made some more of those. But what I'm going to do is this, and you can see how these little pearl beads are coming in like real handy, to make some really jazzy and uh, pretty jewelry. So you can see, and then let me hold one up, and you can kind of see how it dangles. And I thought these were really, really pretty. Just simple wire earrings, very easy. You do have to be careful with the wire so it don't bend when you're working with it. But what I do is I use my little stick here. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. My little stick right here. And I wrap the wire around it where I want it to bend, and then I get that bend on it. So these are what I'm working on now. And I do know these I like, but I probably won't do a lot of these. Not really crazy about the design. It's nice for just a one timer, maybe two, something like that. So if somebody want to buy them, they have the option of buying both of them with different colors or something, and then maybe like change the wire up a little bit, put a little wiggle in it or something. But I'm not too crazy about that design. Now these two I'm just absolutely in love with. I like these, especially these green ones. Really, 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 really jazzy. Simple, easy. 1, 2, 3. You can wear these with dresses, with jeans, your little t-shirt. Just that nice, easy accessory earring on a Saturday or during the week. Something real simple and easy to throw on. But anyway, that's what I'm working on now. Wire earrings. And I will be doing a video soon showing how to make these. All right, Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK. We'll talk soon.